with regard to our previous interview, do you see any new changes or tendency on Iran market?
Well, I will consider our last interview and what we were discussing at this time. To be honest, the overall situation did not change, with the exception that we have now even more requirements, more questions from the market, which we should answer and serve. That means from a variety of end users, be it food packaging, be it detergent, be it pharmaceuticals, others. So we are happy to have a variety of new customers from the supply chain and also converters who are addressing their needs to us with only one problem. Probably we could better help if the financing issues would be settled on a governmental level, political level, but we are on a good hope that this is settled and therefore we can help the customers with our suppliers of our board. But the trend is good, the tendency is good, and we are happy about the frequency of the inquiries which we are getting.
Thank you. Sorry, what's the target to hold the seminar?
Well, this is a good opportunity for us, first of all, to have in one place a wide variety of our esteemed customers coming to us. We see them, we can exchange our ideas, their commercial ideas, their needs for their carton board supply on one hand. On the other hand, and this is the issue of it, we can bring up the latest technical information, the latest development which we have in our mills, dedicated for this market, and therefore we can, in a dialogue with also the experts coming here, exchange our views and fine-tune the products, the needs in terms of products of carton board, but also their particular needs in terms of service. So the question from them is, for us was, having this seminar is, beside of securing a sustainable supply of a board, which we are aiming at doing, beside of that, to show our competence. We are not just supplying board, we help them to optimize printing, cutting, creasing, packing line performance. So this is a comprehensive service which the customers very much appreciate. This is the reason for this seminar.
Thank you very much. Do you have any new strategy for Iran market?
Well, we have always new parts in our strategy, but the strategy as such did not change. We are a supplier to these markets, not just for weeks or months or years, for decades. I myself remind myself that the first time came here almost 30 years ago, and since that we always have had contact to the market, in good times, in bad times, so to say.
Yes.
The strategy here is to understand there is a local supplier, yes, but he cannot sufficiently supply the market with all the quantities and the quality requirements. So therefore, we fine-tune, listen to the market and fine-tune the needs for the market, and therefore adopt our products accordingly with the wide variety Mayer-Melnhof can offer. It is perfect fit to the market.
Thank you. How do you consider your position on the market compared with your competitors?
Well, I think this answer, in a way, I have given with the answer of before. We are a supplier as many others, yes, in terms of volume. But at this very moment, we distinguish already because of the variety of products we have. We have both fully boxboard, we have also white line chipboard, and to a certain extent also liner for the corrugating industry. Not many suppliers can offer such wide range of products on the board in this area, first hand. Second, what we are doing in addition to the supply with our local partner, with our office we have here, we have a permanent representation here, so we care in a day-to-day business, and therefore we are quicker in our response to the market. We are technically perfect in supporting. The seminar is one of the issues of it, and therefore, beside of supply, of consistent products, of consistent availability, we distinguish in our competence and the service, and in the better understanding of the supply chain and the converters' need.
Thank you very much. For the last question, are you planning to dedicate a special price list for Iran market, or will you quote your global prices to Iranian purchasers?
Well, it is obvious that in such a dialogue, price is a
Yes.
question. Before I say which kind of price strategy we are having,
Yes.
I would like to remind also the journalists, and we do our customers, and those who are representing the companies here. First, we draw the attention to the value.
Yes.
The value of the board, the service, the technical assistance, etc. So, and this ends in a certain market price, no doubt. We have to be competitive, no doubt. There is a local supplier who drives the market, decides the price, there's strong imports, so we are not alone. So we are clear enough in our mind, yes, we have to be competitive, and we are giving to the Iranian market a fair price, a competitive price. We distinguish between different grades, of course, but we are trying to give them also a more consistent, more long-term price proposition, which is helpful for better calculation. And we are in a bilateral discussion, customer to customer, always find a way, in one or the other way. We found a compromise and agreement with the customers, both good for customers and for Mayer-Melnhof. So it's a question of better understanding, then you fix the price and then you make the deal, and that is the way how we are doing it.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time to giving me for interview.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
It's my pleasure to come here and also being invited from you to give our statement to this very well-known podium here, and we are very happy that we can come back, and we are happy that you are joining us in
Thank
this
you very
seminar.
much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.